Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a Simple Colors polish that's pink and Pure Ice, it's all a blur. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and I've got Bitsy, and this is, bless you Cotton, Flawless, and it's a white cream. So I've got that on my nails, and I've also got some Beauty Big Bang liquid latex on my nails. And I did top it all off with the Pro FX Quick Dry. I've got my little stamper out. And this one is DTGPN06. And then this is Bitten by Sinful Colors. And this is It's All a Blur by Pure Ice. So I'm going to do a smushy today. It's been quite a while since I've done a smushy, so I thought I would go on and just do one. Kind of a Valentine's Day smushy. So I'm getting all crazy with my drops on my little mat. And I do love a smushy manicure, I'm just here to say. So I'm going to dip my little stamper down in it. And this is the Starry Night stamper from AliExpress. I love using it for smushies because it's so soft. Just kind of wraps around that nail. It helps me get it all covered. So I'm just kind of dabbing, you know, side to side, going around, trying to make sure the whole nail's covered up. And some of the colors end up looking a little muddied, but not too bad. And since I'm going to stamp over it, I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to remove this liquid latex, snap that stuff off, and it's trying to pull up my manicure. We're going to tap it back down. And I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone and just do a little bit of cleaning up. Not too bad. Considering when I was doing a smushy, I think I really got lucky on this one. There we go. Getting the rest of that up. So I did like the little pops of purple peeking out on the smushy. I thought that was pretty cool. The blur. And I'm going to top everything off with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so I can do my Valentine's Day stamping. There we go. See, that nail looks a little more muddy, but it's okay. I'll be using Winstonia W102. And it's just a Valentine's Day plate. It's got some really cute images on it. I've got my Conad Stamper and Beauty Scraper. And this is Shut Out by Braves Diva. It's an excellent stamping polish. And I'm just going to use different images all over this plate. Now my nail's a little long for that image, so I'm going to clean off the stamper on a lint roller and clean that plate off with pure acetone. And I'm just going to do a little bit more of that image so I can get to the tip of the nail with it. Kind of just line it up and kind of do what it you know, what it needs to get it to the end of that nail. And there we go. Ta-da! And I'm just going to continue on. I love this heart with the little angel wings or love wings or cupid wings. I think it's a pretty cute image. And then we're going to keep on going. Keep on stamping. And this one's really cute. The little cupid with his bow and arrow. And I'm going to turn that plate around. I'm going to get this big image with all the hearts, and that's going to go on my ring fingernail. I did kind of like full nail designs over my thumb and my ring nail. And then the other ones I'm using more, you know, single images, I guess. That way some of that smushy can shine and play and be looked at. And then I really like this cute little couple kissing. They look like little cartoon characters. I'm going to put that one on my pinky nail. There we go. So I'm going to clean this plate off with pure acetone before I put it back in the holder. Dun, 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 dun. And now we're going to do a little bit of cleanup with some tape. Very little cleanup on this one though. Very nice. I am going to top this off with the Smudge Free Top Coat from Maniology, because white is one of the ones I have trouble with. And then I'm going to top it off with Poshe Top Coat and seal it all in. So I really did like this one. I had a good time wearing it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.